just a small problem with the connection. What I was saying, the tech demo will have 3 different game modes for you, single player modes, but you will have some surprises, as we have included both the solo mode, so basically just outlapping. We also have the ghost mode, where you will race towards your the ghost of your best lap, and the third one we have included for the first time our brand new AI. So basically, we will also have in the tech demo what we call the versus mode, where you where you will face a bot, basically on the racing track that the tech demo created for you. You can create a brand new track just by pressing Ctrl N, or just by restarting the game, the tech demo I mean, and you will see the semi-final physics of the game, and we are still working on the graphics. But as you can see, we have a lot of improvements respect the latest version that we showed you a couple of weeks ago. Right now, Luca is racing toward a bot, I think. Right, Luca?
Yeah, bot.
That's a bot. Can you change the game mode so we can show them? So as you can see, you can just switch the game mode by pressing. He is using a gamepad. As you can see here, there's another webcam that is recording Luca playing, and the tech demo will support both the keyboard and the gamepad, not the steering wheel yet. We will include them later, soon. And the graphics that you see is like 60%. We are still working on it, on different effects, motion blur, HDR, etc. Right now he is racing towards his ghost, as you can see. You can switch between the different game modes live. So basically, when you're racing on that particular racetrack that the tech demo created for you, you can race on it in solo mode, in versus mode, that is toward a bot, an AI, or in ghost mode, where you will face your ghost. And there's different cameras. Can you show the different cameras, Luca? Cambia le camere. Cicla. So we will have, yeah, as you can see, some basic cameras for you in this particular tech demo. Here we are. And you can create a new racing track. So now we will close the game and reopen it to show you a completely different track created by our engine. That is basically what you're going to see in this tech demo. So it's what we call the procedural tech demo, and it shows you the procedural engine that we created. So the main point about releasing this is to show you what our engine is capable of. So just a minute and so as you can see, we have an ask menu that you have just glanced, and you can relaunch the game to have another track, or do it inside the game if you want. So basically, every time the tech demo launches, creates a brand new racetrack from scratch randomly, You will not be able to set different parameters in this tech demo. We want you to just fill the completely different racing tracks that the engine creates. You will have in Racecraft, obviously, the different parameters that you can set up when you create a new track. So now our engine is choosing the different racetrack and placing different elements around. As I was saying last time, it's very complex. So and it also chooses a theme. So it chooses a place around the world, a main sponsor, main colors based on that particular sponsor, and as you will see, it creates the racetrack with that particular elements around that are not just random things but are placed considering different as you can see in this particular racetrack we have green trees and that particular sky, and as soon as Luca will reach the start, you will see the main sponsor and the main and secondary colors are applied all around the racetrack. That's basically what the engine does after it chooses the racetrack. So as you can see, we have a red color as the main color, and the main sponsor is based on that particular color, etc. He's now racing toward our AI. He's winning, I think. As you see, the racetrack is completely different from the other one. So every single time you will start the game, this particular tech demo, you will have a completely different racetrack. So we also had on the track, as you see, the braking points, suggested gears that are the green ones. We have speed traps that gets your max speed in that particular point of the track, and the usual intermediate. That is our AI driving right now. So basically, we developed an AI that can drive on whatever racetrack the engine creates. So that was very difficult for us, and this is one of our first experiments. Luke is winning again, I think. So as you can see on the track, as maybe it's the first time that you race on this particular created track, you will see the braking points, the red ones, and the green ones are the suggested gear for that particular corner. So in this case, just throttle up and go on, throttle up. That yellow ones are speed traps, and this is he suggested you to use the first gear, the second here, the fourth here, etc. So it's very easy to approach a brand new racetrack without any knowledge of that particular track. So we wanted to make you easier to do so. What else? Basically, what I wanted to show you is the different game modes and the features that the procedural tech demo will have, and also we wanted to announce you that it will be released next week to every player that asks us just by leaving your email on our website. That is playracecraft.com, as you can see here. Down there. So if you want to get this particular tech demo next week, just go to playracecraft.com and leave the email in the box that asks you for the closed beta access. We will just enable your Steam user to be able to download the tech demo when it will be released again next week. That's it, guys, basically. So we wanted to show it to you. We have some surprises, like we included different game modes in this very small tech demo. We really wanted to show you something, and next week to have your feedbacks on the driving model, on the procedural engine, the different game modes that we included. We are still as I was saying, we are still working on the graphics, so maybe please just give us suggestion on the physics and the procedural engine. We know that we have still something to do on the graphics. Rest assured that we will improve on that on the final version of the game. So thank you guys again, and see you on the next Twitch. Hope you liked what you see, and see you guys. Ciao.